crypto on the most trusted exchange out there. It's one that I've been using for a long time. And if you're not using it, I would be a little bit worried about where you're buying your crypto. So let me show you all the different ways you can buy it on Bybit today. But please always remember, number one, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, do this for educated purposes only. Number two, you can get $20 for absolutely free if you stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you how by depositing 100 USD, which we're probably going to do anyway, you're going to get $20 as long as it's a first-time deposit and you can KYC within 7 days. Let's show you how to use that $20 for free buying some crypto. All right, here we go on the Bybit platform, guys, and we're going to be talking about how you actually buy crypto on here. Now, first thing I would say is you always need to be careful of what exchange you use. That's why I always use Bybit, making sure it's fully transparent and exactly how it works. They're very good at communicating. When I'm buying my crypto, I feel safe doing it. Now, up at the top, you're going to see a buy crypto section. I'm going to go through these for you, and that's what this video is going to particularly talk about. P2P, the one-click buy, the fiat deposit, converting the crypto deposit. Now, I'm going to go for the easiest one. There's some of you out there watching this video probably that have never bought crypto before. If you hit the link down below and sign up to an account, okay, you simply create it. It's very, very simple. Make a deposit, start trading. You're actually going to get $20 for absolutely free after you deposit that $100. And once you've done that, you can then buy your crypto. So you go up to buy crypto here and go one click buy. This is the easiest way to buy crypto, okay? You simply go over to this buy section, okay? After you've deposited your 100, type in here 20, okay? So $20 or pounds, whatever it is you're depositing in here. If you want to use the free $20 that you actually get after depositing $100, simply change that to USD, use the 20, and you can see here you're going to receive 0.000189905 of a Bitcoin. Here, you will see your balance of how much you have. This is where you can just simply deposit. You can change the payment method to Apple Pay, Google Pay, bank card, any of the P2Ps, which I'll go in soon, and the third parties. And that is it, guys. You have crypto. Now, there is more deeper ways to do this. If you're going to the peer-to-peer network, and for those of you that are not traders, or actually don't have a clue really about crypto, you're not going to understand what this is. Peer-to-peer is somebody on this platform giving you a price for their crypto. So you see here, the top one here has 59 orders, okay, in Mosdrick. They have a lot of crypto, USDT, and they're selling it at 0.787 of price. You could choose the price you want. So it's completely up to you whether you want to go for a higher price. Maybe you trust this person more with some more orders. Maybe you want to go for the lowest price you can see, okay? This is completely on you, and it'll come from payment methods local to your country. So here you see Revolut, Western Union, MoneyGram, all local to where I live. And if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. So I can actually buy this with my Revolut card from this order to this advertiser here, all through the Bybit platform. Now, be it deposit, guys, simple. Okay, once you've started that account, you can come here and simply deposit. Okay, choose again what you want to do. You deposit 100 USD here, guys, and then simply click continue. Okay, you're gonna see here BTC and USDT. You can actually start trading, changing the crypto you already have. So if you want to convert your Bitcoin into USDT, you can. If you want to convert, for example, your Ethereum into your APT, your Aptos, you can here, and it will give you a quote. And that's how easy it is to buy crypto, guys. All right, you simply make an account, go through one of the options that I showed you. It is that simple. And if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. There you go, guys. What a fantastic, fantastic platform this is. And if you're not using it, please use the link down below to start using it now. Buy yourself some crypto, play around with that $20 you're getting for free, because again, you can use that, lose it, it's up to you. It's free from Bybit. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, the bell, and we're notified. I'll see you next time.